Imagine driving down the road and suddenly your transmission feels like it is stuck in second or third gear, refusing to shift properly while that dreaded check engine light stares you down from the dashboard. You are likely dealing with the P083D trouble code, which points directly to a high circuit issue in your transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch GE. This is a generic OBD2 code, so while it shows up on everything from Dodge to Toyota, it is a real headache frequently seen on Honda vehicles. This sensor, which we often call the TFPS, acts like a translator for your car. It takes the mechanical pressure of the transmission fluid and turns it into an electrical signal for the powertrain control module or the transmission control module, known as the PCM and TSIM. When this G circuit sends a voltage signal that is way higher than what the computer expects to see in its memory, it panics and puts the car into what we call limp mode to protect the internal components. Most of the time, this is not a mechanical failure of the gears themselves, but an electrical glitch in the TFPS circuit. You can usually find this sensor tucked away on the side of the valve body inside the transmission, or sometimes screwed right into the outer case. Before you go buying expensive parts, you should always check for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, because manufacturers often release specific software updates for these exact symptoms. The most common culprit is actually corrosion, or a loose connection on the external wiring harness. You will want to pull that connector apart and look for any green tint or burnt pins. A little bit of electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush can work wonders here. If the code stays after cleaning, you will need to get your digital voltmeter, or DVOM, out to check the signal and ground wires. With the key on and engine off, you should be seeing a steady 5 or 12 volts depending on your specific vehicle. If you see a short to power or open ground, that is your smoking gun. Do not just swap the sensor immediately. Check those wires for rubbing or melted plastic first, as a simple wire repair is much cheaper than a new sensor or a total PCM replacement. Ensure you follow every step carefully to get your shifting back to being smooth and reliable without spending a fortune on unnecessary repairs.